In garment manufacturing, planning touches everything: capacity, materials, machines, people, and delivery. One weak link and the whole plan breaks. Most factories try to hold it together with spreadsheets, whiteboards, and WhatsApp threads. But when orders change, lines overload, or a supplier slips, there's no system to catch it. Enjen StitchOptima Planning is a complete planning system built for garment manufacturers, connecting every layer of your operation in one place. Start with a real-time view of your factory capacity. Across every unit and every line, you see utilization, efficiency, on-time delivery, and exactly where you're running hot before it becomes a crisis. The production plan gives every order on every line full visibility. Progress, crew resources, changeover readiness, and daily output trends, all in one place. At the center of it all is the planning board, a visual drag-and-drop workspace where your entire production schedule lives. Every order block carries its own intelligence: status, progress, capacity loading, and delivery deadlines. And when priorities shift, you reschedule in seconds. The board rebalances itself automatically. When things change, a buyer shifts a deadline, a line goes down, or a holiday hits, scenario planning lets you model the impact, compare options, and apply the best plan with confidence. Every change is tracked, versioned, and approved. And subcontracted processes, washing, embroidery, heat sealing, are managed in the same system with the same visibility. StitchOptima Planning. Higher efficiency, on-time delivery, total visibility.
Enjen AI. Intelligence simplified.